Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 4 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is logical reasoning. And the lesson today we covered that is find two numbers based upon the sum and difference. Find two numbers based upon sum, difference, product and quotients. Find the order. Hello everyone, so today we are here for grade. I was just checking my mic. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there. And here are the list of the lessons for the grade 4. So this chapter, only one lesson is left from this chapter, add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. So first we cover that one and then let's move to the next, okay? So here we go with it. Add and subtract the fractions with unlike denominators in the recipes. So they are saying that in the first question, add and subtract the fractions with unlike denominators in the recipes. If you mix the sugar and the butter together, how many cups will there be in all? You are going to mix the sugar and butter. How much the sugar is? 1 by 2. How much the butter is? 1 by 4. Now you are going to add up in both these two. Okay, sugar is 1 by 2 and then the butter, how much of it? It's 1 by 4. Okay, now here is 1 by 2. Here is 1 by 4. So first of all, what we see, we are going to check the denominator, which is the greater denominator here. So that is 4 is the greater denominator, okay? And 2 is less. So we becomes equal this 2 to the 4. What we do, we're going to multiply 2 and divide with the 2. And this second term as it is, we're going to put up here. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. And here it's 1 by 4. Look at here, why we are going to multiply with 2 and divide with 2, because this 2 is becomes equals to the, this is the only case the 2 will be equal to the 4 when you are going to multiply 2 with the 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, that's the reason we are going to multiply here. Now 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now here the 4 is your basically in the denominator, these both are same, so only putting 1 4 here and adding there numerators. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4 is as it is. So this is the way that you are going to solve in the recipes. Okay, let's do the one next. If you mix the cheddar cheese and onion together, how many cups will there be in all? So the cheddar cheese is 1 by 2, this is a half cup. And how much the onion? That is 3 by 4. Let's do it 1 by 2 and add up with 3 by 4. This is the same here. First step to see which is the greater denominator, 4 is the greater, so we become equals to the 2 equals to 4. So how the 2 is equals to 4? 2 is multiplied with which number? So 2 is multiplied with the 2, also put in the top as well as in the bottom, plus 3 by 4. 2 times 1 is 2 and now here 2 times 2 is 4 and that is here 3 by 4. Now putting the 4 in the denominator, putting 2 plus 3 on the numerator. 2 plus 3 is 5 over 4. Okay. So now the next question, and they are saying that it's 1 into 1 by 4 cups in all. If you are going to divide this, convert 5 by 4 into the basically mixed fraction. 5 is putting inside, 4 is outside. 4 times 1 is 4, 1 is left. So you are going to put the 1 into 1 by 4. This is also the answer. And if they are saying that convert into the mixed fraction, so you are choosing this method as well as division and then write the answer. Okay. This is for the simple and this is for the mixed. So the sugar is, how much the sugar? 3 by 4. And how many is lime juice? That is 5 by 8. So as always, we see the first step. In the first step, we see that what is the greater denominator. So the 8 is greater and 4 is less. Okay. So here 4 is less, 8 is greater. So we become equals to this 4 to the 8. How the 4 equals to 8? So 4 times which number is equals to 8? As we can see that we are going to multiply 4 with the 2. So it's 3 by 4. Now just putting the times 2 and times 2. And plus 5 by 8 as it is. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 5 by 8. Okay, now just gonna add up 8 here. Only adding the numerators. 6 plus 5 is 11 over 8. This is your answer. If you wanna divide it, putting 11 inside, putting out 8 outside, 8 times 1 is 8. 3 is left, so the answer is 1 into 3 by 8. Putting 1 in the side, the bottom one is on the top and the 8 is in the same position. This is also the answer, and if they are saying that like write your answer in the mixed fraction, then you can put it this way. Okay, this is the way that you're going to solve. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Let's do the one test questions, then we move forward. If you mix the fresh blackberries and the fresh strawberries together, how many cups will there be in all? So check it out. The blue blackberries, how many of it? 1 by 4. And the fresh strawberries are 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, it's 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So put down here, let's do it. Now it's 1 by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So here is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, then times 2 and times 2. Okay, so 1 by 4 as it is. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Putting 4 in the denominator, then 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 4, and that is your answer. Okay, let's see. Is there any answer is 3 by 4? Yes, the option B are here. Okay, hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions for this lesson by yourself. Okay, now let's start the next. So here this chapter is completed, so let's move to our chapter, that is the logical reasoning, and start the very first chapter for that, logical reasoning, that is find two number based upon the sum and the difference. So let's do it. The difference of two number is 6 and their sum is 10. So what are the two numbers? Think of pairs of number whose difference is 6, then find the sum of each pair. Okay, first of all, if for example they are saying, if they are saying that sum of two numbers are 4 and difference is 0, find that number. Okay, so what are the sum of the two numbers? As we know that, for example, let's start from 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. This is the sum. And the difference is 2 minus 2, and that is 0. Understand? This is the way that you are going to find it. For example, if you're going to take some other numbers like 1 plus 3, this is also 4. But when you are going to take the difference, it becomes minus 2. So this is not. The only case in which two conditions are fulfilled, that is 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 minus 2 is 0, because when you are going to add the two numbers you get the answer 4, when you subtract the two numbers you get the answer 0. Okay, let's suppose if I'm going to write down sum of two numbers are, sum of two numbers is 8 and difference is 2. Okay, so let's suppose we are going to put 5 plus 3. Okay, 5 plus 3, that is 8. And when you're going to subtract it, is it the answer 2? 5 minus 3 is 2. This is the right. If we're gonna say that 4 plus 4, that is 8. When you're going to check the difference, but it's 0, so this is not. Okay, only case is this one, in which the two conditions are fulfilled. The first condition, which is that you can put it down 5 plus 3 addition, and then you can see that difference is 2 and addition is 8. Okay, now let's do the test questions. Okay, sum of two number is 11 and their difference is 3. So first of all, these number are given 6 and 8. Let's do it. First of all, taking 6 and 8, and the other number is 7 and 4. They are saying that their sum is 11, difference is 3. We finding it out, sum 11 and the difference is 3. Let's do it. So first of all, 6 plus 8, that is 14. 6 minus 8, that is minus 2. Is it? No. Let's move to the 7 and 4. 7 plus 4, that is 11. 7 minus 4, that is 3. Check it out. Both the conditions are here, both the conditions are applied. That is 7 plus 4, which is 11, and 7 minus 4, that is 3. So this is 11 and 3. Okay. So we can say that yes, it's 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 minus 4 is 3. Alright. This is the sum and that is the addition and this is the subtraction. So 7 and 4 is your answer. Let's go with it. 7 and 4. The difference of two numbers is 5 and their sum is 15. What are the two numbers? The numbers are given 10 and 7, 10 and 5. Let's check. 10 and 7, 10 and 5. Okay. Their sum is 15 and their difference is 5. Let's do it. Check it out. 10 plus 7, 10 minus 7. Let's see the answer. 10 plus 5, 10 minus 5. So 10 plus 7 is 17, 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 plus 5 is 15, 10 minus 5 is 5. So check it out. In which option the two conditions are fulfilled? That is 10 and 5. So this is answer is sum is 15, difference is 5, but here sum is 17, difference is 3, so this is wrong. So it's 10 and 5. The sum of two number is 13 and the difference of two number is 1. Sum is 13. Sum is 13. Difference is 1. So what are the numbers? 6, 8, 7, 6. 6 and 8, 7 and 6. Okay. Let's go with it. When you are going to check, so first of all add both of it. 6 plus 8, 7 plus 6. 6 minus 8, 7 minus 6. Okay. First write the answer of this one. Answer is 14. Answer is minus 2. Here answer is 13 and it's 1. So which one is right? 6 or 8 or 7 or 6? So 7 and 6 is the right answer. That is 13 and 1. Both the conditions are applied here. When you're going to add up, it becomes 13. When you're going to subtract it, it's a 1. So 7 and 6. The sum of two numbers is 15. The difference is 1. What are the two numbers? So options are given 8, 7, 9, 7. 8, 7, 9 and 7. Sum is 15. Difference is 1. Sum 8 plus 7. Difference 8 minus 7. 9 plus 7. 9 minus 7. Okay. Now you guys tell me the answer of this. Hurry up. Everyone tell me the answer in the chat. So when you're going to add up, then you get the answer 15. When you're going to subtract, then you get the answer 1. This is 8 or 7. Because for the 9 and 7, it's 16 and 2. So this is not the answer. So the answer is 15 and 1. That is 8 and 7. So this is the right answer. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Now let's move to the next lesson, which is find two number based upon sum, difference, product, and quotients. Now here the four terms are involved. Sum are involved, difference are involved, multiplication is involved, and the division is involved. Okay, this is the product and the quotient meaning. So now the sum of two number is 13, the difference is 1. What are the two numbers? This is the same, just like previous. Okay. So here, sum of two number is 0 and their product is 100. For example, if I'm going to write it down, sum of two number is 0. Not difference of two number is 0. Difference of two number is 0 and their product is 25. Let's suppose. So which two numbers multiply, then you get the answer 25. It means that only the numbers which is 5 times 5, that is 25. And subtraction 5 minus 5 is 0. This is the thing that we have done in it. Okay. It's just like the multiplication or all that thing. Let's start the test. So for the first question, look at here. The quotient of two number is 5. It means when you are going to divide two numbers, you get the answer 5. When you quotient of two number is 5 and the product is 20. Okay. What are the two numbers? Numbers are given 5, 6, 10, and 2. 5, 6, 10, and 2. First, we solve the 5 and 6. Quotient, that means you're going to divide. 5 divided by 6 is the answer. It's the answer 5? No. When you're going to divide 5 over the 6, this is the same thing. Now the product is 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Let's check for 10 and 2. So when you see for 10 and 2, what is the answer? You guys tell me the answer in the chat. So divide 10 over the 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. Answer is 5. And 10 times 2 is 20. Check. Answer is 5 and 20? Yes, answer is 5 and 20. So this is for 10 and 2. This is the thing that we have done in it, okay? So sum of two number is 8. You guys solve this question. Add two numbers, then you get the answer 8, and the difference of two numbers you get the answer 2. So what is are the two numbers? Do it, solve it. And here the options are given 4, 5, and 5 and 3. First of all, add 4 and 5, then subtract 4, 5. Then check the answer is 8 or 4 or not. 8 or 2, sorry. For the first one, when you add, then you get the answer 8. When you subtract, you get the answer 2. Okay, let me write it. Sum of two number is 8, and difference is 2. And the numbers are given. The first one is 4, 5, 5, 3. Sum is 8. Let's do the first one. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Difference of 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Let's add this one. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Is it the answer? Yes, this is same with the 5 and 3. So here we go with it. Solve this one, everyone. The product of two number is 16. The product means multiplication of two numbers. So multiply two number is 16, and the quotient of two number is 1. When you're going to divide two numbers, that you get the answer 1. Okay? Multiplication is 16, division is 1. So what are the two numbers? Numbers are given. The first number which is given 5, 3, and the second which is given 4 and 4. First you choose the 5, 3, multiply and divide. Check the answer is 16 or 1 or not. Then tell me in the chat. Then secondly you multiply 4 with the 4 and then divide it 4 over the 4. And then check you get the answer 16 or 1 or not. First multiply and then divide. Let's do it, okay? Product is 60. Quotient is 1. Question is 5 and 3 First, multiply and then divide. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 divided by 3 is something else. Okay, or you can say that 5. Then 4 and 4. 4 times 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. This is same and here is 1. So which answer is same with your question? Like when you divide it, you get the answer 1, and when you multiply it, you get the answer 16. So 4 and 4 is the right answer. So we go with the 4 and 4. Okay. So in the next question, the product of two number is 25. Their sum is 10. So what are the two numbers? First multiply and then add, then check. What's the answer? Let's do it. The product is 25 and sum is 10. 4, 6, 5 and 5. You guys solve it. Solve this question on your notebooks and then tell me. First of all, you multiply 4 with the 6. Then you add up. Then check the answer is same as they are saying in the question, like you get the answer 25 and 10. Then you get the answer 5 and 5. And then tell me is it right or wrong. Let's see it, okay? So 4 times 6 is 24. And 4 plus 6 is 10. One is same and one is different. So this is not. Let's move to the 5 and 5. So 5 times 5, that is 25. 5 plus 5, which is 10. Here both are same. Here this is not same but this is same. So the answer we get it, which is 5 and 5, because in the 5 and 5 both the product and the sum both are same. So this is 5 and 5. The difference of two number is 6 and the product is 55. What are the two numbers? Difference, like when you subtract two numbers you get the answer 6, and when you multiply the two numbers you get the answer 55. You solve this question guys on your notebook and then tell me the answer only. Do it everyone, fast. Same method, same procedure you follow, as we have done a lot of question. So you follow the same method, just multiply and then just add it. Sometimes you just multiply and subtract it. In that question it's a subtraction. So let's do it. The difference is 6, product is 55. Difference is 6, product is 55. The first digit, which is 5, 6 and 11, 5. 5, 6, 11, 5. So for 5 and 6, it's 5 minus 6, that is difference. It's minus 1. 5 times 6, that is 30. Both are not same. Move to the next. 11 minus 5, which is 6. 11 times 5, which is 55. See the result in which both are same, 6 and 55. That is 11 and 5. The difference of two number is 10 and the quotient of two number is 6. You check the difference firstly, like you are going to subtract, and then you are going to divide. When you subtract, you get the answer 10, and when you divide, you get the answer 6. So what are that number? You check it out by using this way. Okay, we have done a lot of questions regarding this lesson as well. Okay, so you practice this lesson and then you solve the rest of the test questions by yourself now. Now let's start the last lesson of the day, which is find the order. So the lemon cookie is larger than the chocolate cookie. We are going to put the order like which one is the greater, which one is the less, and then which one is the smaller in both of it. So the lemon cookie is larger than the chocolate cookie but smaller than the sugar cookie. So the lemon is larger than chocolate but lower than sugar. So it means that sugar is the greater in both of it, then lemon and then chocolate. So which cookie is larger, the sugar cookie or the chocolate cookie? Look at here. Lemon cookie is larger than the chocolate but smaller than sugar. It's larger than chocolate, smaller than sugar. It means that the lemon is in the middle. It's larger than chocolate in one side and lower than sugar. It means that sugar is the greater, chocolate is less in all of it. Lemon is in the middle, and then this is the way. So the sugar cookie is greater as compared to in both of it. Okay. Garrett earned the more money than the Rafi but less money than Mona. So who earned the least amount of money? So who earned the least amount of money? They are saying that the Garrett earned more money than Rafi. It's more than Rafi but less than Mona. So it means that Mona is greater. Rafi is in the middle now. Again, Mona is greater. Garrett is more money than Rafi but less money than Mona. So it means that Garrett is in the middle. Rafi is in one side, Mona is in one side. Because the Garrett is in middle now and Mona is in one side, Rafi is in one side. So the Garrett is less than Mona and greater than Rafi. So it means that Mona is more and Rafi is less and the Garrett is in the middle. Who earned the least amount of money? So least amount of money is in the Rafi. Okay. All right. Jack is older than Zach. Jack is older than Zach. Jack is not older than the Bridget. So the Bridget, it means that it's more older than the Jack, and then Jack is older than Zach. So it means that Jack is in middle, Zach is in less, and Bridget is in more. Okay. So the Bridget is the older, Zach is the youngest, and Jack is in the middle. So who is the youngest? Youngest is obviously the Zach, because Jack is older than Zach, and it's you can say that not older than Bridge. So the Bridge is the oldest, and Zach is the youngest, and the Zach is the youngest, and Jack is in the middle, both of it. Let's go to the test questions. You guys tell me the answer then. Ronald swim faster than Reba. Ronald is greater than Reba. Okay? Ronald is greater than Reba. And Reba swim faster than Tracy. And Reba is greater than Tracy. So who swims the slowest? It means that the Tracy. Because Ronald is faster than Reba. Reba is faster than Tracy. And it means that Tracy is slower in both of it. So you can say that a Tracy. Okay? The opal pendant is less expensive than the pearl pendant. Opal and pearl. Here are the given. Opal is less than pearl. Emerald necklace is less expensive than opal. Now, opal is less than pearl. Emerald is less than opal. So it means that opal is in the middle. It's less than pearl and greater than emerald. Which piece of jewelry is more expensive? The pearl pendant or the emerald? The emerald necklace is less expensive than opal, and opal is less expensive than pearl. So it means that the opal is in the middle, pearl is in the greater, and pearl is in the greater, opal is in the middle, and the emerald is in the less. So the greater one is the more expensive is in the pearl, not the emerald. Okay, because the emerald is the less expensive, and opal is in the middle of both of it. Now the yellow jump rope is longer than the silver jump rope. Yellow is longer than silver, but shorter than red. Yellow is longer than silver, but shorter than red. So it means that yellow is in the middle. It's greater than silver, lower than red. So red is in the greater, silver is in the less, and yellow is in the middle. So the longest is red. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So today we discussed the grade 4 maths. The chapter name today we discuss the logical reasoning, and here are the list of the lesson. Find two numbers based on sum and difference, find two numbers based upon sum and difference, product and quotients, and find the order. We also covered the one lesson from the like and unlike denominators chapter. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. And before the next session, you guys make sure to practice all these questions. And if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact tutors by using this live chat button that is available on the A Plus website. Open this, putting the department here in which department you need help with maths or language, and just put your name and then send. In this way, you directly contact the tutors. So for now, have a great day. You all see you in the next session. Bye.